Hey, how's it going? I'm Adam, and we thought it would be a cool idea to build this tree house out in the woods, or like a clubhouse kind of thing. And the reason we thought that is because we're getting our deck replaced, and we had like all this wood laying around. We still got some more here. It's not like I don't have anything else to do, you know. So anyways, I think we're actually done with the fort today. So we're gonna kind of run you through the whole process. I tried my best to get as much footage as I could. It's been edited and chopped like crazy, so hopefully it makes sense. So hang out with us for about 5 minutes and we'll show you what we did and what it looks like now. One of the posts over here, we're gonna use that for that little corner spot. Put it in the ground with some concrete, put a support beam here that these 2x10s are gonna sit on. And we are digging through a ton of rocks, and of course, being in the forest, they are roots galore. That's gonna set for a day or two. We'll come back out and attach these to this tree, these two trees. It'll form a V, and that'll be all we need to start building our platform and start putting some walls up. We're burning through batteries like crazy, putting a pilot hole and these lag bolts in this large oak here. Actually, I think this is a poplar. We're going to finish putting the lag bolts in on the other side, and this thing should be totally braced up and ready for our platform. Okay, got another day going to some work on the fort, and we've built, I guess you'd say the floor of the fort. Just an 8x8 with using some 2x8s left over from the deck. Okay, today we are working on the roof, and despite me making a living working on roofs, I don't know anything about framing them. So we used a calculator. Look online, find roofing calculator, or I guess it's more like a carpenter's calculator, but it's for roof rafters. And we've basically got, for a 512 roof, we found our line here. Then we've got some what they call bird mouths there, and I'm gonna cut a jig. That way we can use this little pattern or template and just run through and saw and mark everything, saw everything real quick. We should have all of our rafters cut. So hopefully it works out that way and I don't end up with one messed up and got to go buy more wood. Okay, well, we're basically done. For the sake of this video, we're gonna call it quits. We're gonna say this is a complete project. It's a finished project. Really is not. Still got a few ideas we're tinkering with, but we've kind of spent months, at least a couple months, working on this. So let's take you around and let's see what it looks like. So we're gonna walk our almost carved in the woods path here. We almost got a path going. We're getting there. There she is. We did a 8x8, somewhat of a tree house. It's kind of a tree / clubhouse. We've got our 2x10s or 2x12s, I can't really remember. We put some lag bolts on each, or 2 trees here, ran them to a 4x6 with some bracing. We used our 2x8s as our floor joists, and all the deck boards we use as our flooring. So this is kind of like what I'm saying, like maybe we're not done. Still not really sure if we're gonna keep this. This is a ladder that I used to use for work, and it really needs to be put out of commission. But I can secure it here to where they probably could use it. That's kind of been the theme of this, is anything we can salvage, we're using. So maybe we'll put something else here, but we got the floor actually serves as our door as well. So I didn't have to worry about building a porch or some kind of big door. We just floored it, and then we went back and put some bracing on the bottom, cut it, put some hinges, and there you go. I really should have cleaned up in here before I started filming, but anyway, so we got us a nice little pad going on here. Decent as far as the finished product. All of these, so this is pretty much the only thing I had to buy for the 2x4s for the bracing on the wall, and this is reused from the deck. You can pretty much tell what's new and what's not. That's kind of the giveaway. So all of this is from this fence out here. You can see down in the woods there where our neighbor has built a new fence, and why have 2 fences? We had several sections that were broken anyway, so we just used that. And oh, that's pretty cool. Kids are gonna love it. The oldest is super happy, all the way down to the 14-month-old baby who's super happy. So this hopefully will last us a while, and all the kids and all from all the way down to number 5 that's on the way should be able to enjoy this for quite a while. Hopefully a tree won't fall on it and destroy it, but it's okay. We're just having fun, and hope you guys enjoyed watching the building process of this, and we're pretty much done. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments below, and appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you on the next project.